Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 4 Countable and Uncountable Nouns. Let's get started. Look at this shopping basket. Write down the items that you see. Then tick the items you can count and circle the items that you can't. So this is juice, and banana, apple, tomato, oil, milk, I understood this much only. Here, the tick the items you can count. Banana, apple, orange is there, no? O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Next, juice, oil, milk. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Nouns which can't be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay. Write C for the countable nouns and UN for the uncountable nouns. First, balloon, countable noun. Hair, uncountable noun. Kites, countable noun. Money, countable noun. Monkey, countable noun. King, countable noun. Watch, countable noun. Ice cream, uncountable noun. Tea, uncountable noun. Iron, uncountable noun. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of the picture clues. A glass of water, a dash of bread, loaf of bread, a dash of soap, a bar of soap, a dash of cheese. You can call it a cake of soap also. It also correct, but it's a old English. That's it. Nothing wrong in it. So now we can say it's a bar of soap. A dash of cheese, a piece of cheese, a dash of milk, bottle of milk, a dash of honey, A jar of honey. Next. Write S if the noun is singular and P if it is plural. Write the plural forms of the singular nouns and singular forms of the plural nouns. Cloud, singular, and it's a clouds. Okay. And second, woman, singular, women. Cupboards, plural, B-O-A-R-D, cupboard. Toothpick, singular, tooth, picks. Tooth, singular, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Windows, plural, window, singular is window. Brush, singular, plural is brushes. Baby, singular, babies, plural. Star, singular, stars. Road, singular, roads, plural. File, singular, files, plural. Clothes, plural, cloth, singular. Child, singular, children, plural. Books, plural, book. Cap, singular, caps, plural. Lice, lice, plural, loaves, singular. Change the underlined nouns to their plural forms and rewrite the sentences. You may have to change other words too. The postman is carrying a letter and a parcel. The postman is carrying a letters and parcels. Carrying a letter. Carrying letters and parcels. Next. I can see a bee buzzing around a flower, a shrub, and a butterfly in the field. I can C, bees, bees are buzzing around a flower. Shrubs, and butterflies in the field. The girl is riding a bicycle. The girls are riding bicycles. The shopkeeper was selling a fruit, a vegetable, and a soft drink. Shopkeeper were selling fruits, vegetables, and soft drinks. The ship will sail to Europe. The ships will sail to Europe. The dinosaur was a huge and a scary reptile. Dinosaurs were a huge and scary reptiles. The donkey looked at the moon and brayed loudly. The donkeys looked at the moon and brayed loudly. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the nouns. There was a loud dash and everyone began to run. There was a loud noise. The dash cuts the two brothers dash every month. The barber cut the two brothers' hair. My mother gave me a bowl of dash when I had dash. A bowl of soup. When I had fever. The dash marched in a dash. The Soldiers marched in a row. Dash tastes salty. Seawater, sea waters. Sea water. I called him many dash, but he did not pick up the phone. I called him many times. He is very busy. He does not have any time. Understood? For this, we finished our fourth lesson, countable and uncountable nouns. Tomorrow we will see fifth lesson, gender. Okay? Thank you.